Hello everyone, welcome to the session. This session is the continuation of our payment processing series, and in this session we are going to discuss different integration methods offered by the CyberSource. So if you want to integrate the CyberSource payment gateway on your website to accept the online payment, then this session is going to be helpful for you. So the first method is secure acceptance. In the secure acceptance method, the customer fill the details in the HTML form. Once customer submit the detail or form, all the details is directly submitted to the CyberSource from the browser itself. So the details of the payment, the credit card number or debit card number, all these secure information are not passed through the merchant server or network. There are two types of secure acceptance method. One is the secure acceptance hosted checkout. If you are using this type of method, the different types of form like payment forms, billing address form, shipping address form would be created on the CyberSource portal and then would be used on the website. So here the merchant is having less flexibility to create own payment forms. However, in the second method, which is called secure acceptance checkout API, merchant can create own payment forms as per their need and use them. And this method is used for credit or debit cards. The second is simple order API. In this method, the merchant make the call from their server to the CyberSource. CyberSource has provided different SDK in different languages. SDK available in different languages: C, C++, .NET, Java, and PHP. This method can be used for credit card, debit cards, for digital wallets like Samsung Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and the e-wallets like PayPal. The next integration method is REST API. In this method, merchant can make the REST API call to the CyberSource for the different operations. The CyberSource also provided the client library for this method in different languages: Node.js, .NET, Java, Python, Ruby, and PHP. So as per your need, you can select the client library and do the necessary operations. It can be used for the credit card, debit cards, digital wallets as well. The next integration method is SOAP Toolkit API. So this is the classic SOAP API and it can be used for cards, debit or credit card. Next integration method is batch upload. So in this method, the merchant create one batch file for their transactions. That batch file would be normally in CSV file and upload on the CyberSource portal. So this can be used for the offline transactions. So there is a template provided in this method which can be downloaded from the CyberSource portal and fill that template as per the need. We can fill that template manually, or we can also fill the template using some programming method and then upload that template or the file, the batch file, in the CyberSource portal. These are the integration methods offered by the CyberSource: the secure acceptance, simple order API, REST API, SOAP Toolkit API, and the batch upload. You can select any one or more than one integration methods to accept the online payment on your website. In the coming videos, we are going to see how to use these different types of integration methods on the website to accept the online payment. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.